this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make music in Scratch. Keep watching till the end to learn how to make a concert in Scratch. Welcome to Dabmc. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos of Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Today, I'm going to be showing you, In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make music in Scratch. Now, if you don't want to make music and you're lazy, then that means I'll be sharing this project on Scratch, and then I'm going to say click on the sprites to make random music. I'm just right, me. Then I'm going to say done. Now it's shared. And now let's get started. So first of all, let's go on to the Scratch website. You all know that, common sense. And let's get started. Okay. So first we want to go to the sprites button. Then we want to click on music. Now you can add as many as you want. If you want, you can pretty much add all the instruments here. But for now, I'm going to choose the keyboard today. I'm going to choose the keyboard, and then after I do that, what you want to do is you want to name all of this to one. Not all of them, but you need to name them in order so it's 1, 2, 3, and you need to do it until 8 because that's how many there are. And then you can just do that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and boom! Now we're done. So now you're probably like, how do we code this? It's pretty simple. All you need to do is you need to say when green flag clicked. Then after that, you need to have a forever loop. Then you need to say if. We need to get these two. If it's touching the mouse pointer, meaning it's touch, and the mouse is down, which basically means if you add a and from here, it basically means when the sprite is clicked. That's all it means. So when the sprite is clicked, then we want to go to looks, and then we need to actually sound, and then we need to say play sound. Where is it? Play sound. Pick random. There it is. Pick random. That was the whole point of making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because you can't like type in the C electrical piano, and then you need to change this to 8 because that's how many there are. 1, 8, and that's it. That's pretty much all you have to do. And there you go. You get one random instrument. And then you can add as many as you like, You just need to do the same thing as I did for this one, but I'm going to add a couple more to make it a bit more interesting, because it has to make it be interesting. And then so all you need to do is do the same thing. And after you've done that, there you go, you're done. That's pretty much how it works. And then after that, you can basically just click the You can just basically do this, and then after you've done that, so now if I go to sound and set volume to 100, and then I just say this. So now if I click this, it should make music. And if it doesn't, it's because my mic's connected, and yeah. But it should work. If it doesn't work, it's because you didn't add the play sound button. It might not work for me, but it could also. And then after that, all you need to do is just do the exact same thing that we did before. The exact same thing. And after that, all we need to do is get the sound block. We change it to play sound. And there we go. Now I'm going to add a backdrop to this. You know, make it interesting. And then what am I going to have? I think I'm going to have a I honestly don't know. You know what? I'm going to go with the where is it? Chalkboard. Yes, I'm going to go with that. Because it's more of like a, you know, movie theater kind of thingy. Then all you do is this, click save now button. Well, you don't have to. And then it makes music. It's pretty simple concept to me. And this is how you make music in Scratch. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys!